boys and girls, it's Mrs. Logan and I'm back with my parking lot again, and I'm here with my daughter Alexa.
Hello.
Now, we've made the parking lot a couple of weeks ago, so if you haven't made a parking lot yet, you can go to Bingo Card 1 to get the directions for how to make a parking lot. We've practiced our sight words with our parking lot. We've practiced addition facts and team numbers with our parking lot. But today we're going to be practicing our short O words and our CVC words at the parking lot. I've put all of my short O words on blue, and I've put other words that I can sound out in green. And I made a different car this week. I've been showing you that if you don't have toy cars, you can make them with rocks or pine cones or fir cones. And today I used a toilet paper roll that I colored like a car. So Alexa, I would like you to move your car. Can you drive a car to a word that says hop? Actually,
Okay.
Alexa, that says hot. Can you find a word that says hop?
Hey there.
There you go.
Hey, Mom.
Is it okay to make mistakes when you're learning? Yes, mistakes are part of learning. All right, where should I drive my car?
To a space that says nog.
Space that says nog, like eggnog at Christmas time. I'm gonna drive my motorcycle to nog. All right, Alexa, can you drive your car to the word top?
Yes.
Top.
Let me find it.
Can I
There it
drive
is.
that car? Perfect. All right, boys and girls, this is how you can use your parking lot for yet another review this week. Practice your CVC words and your words with the aw sound in the middle, and have fun this week.